Hello, and thank you for watching this video about Ready Sill Window Pan installation. We are going to demonstrate how we believe the Ready Sill Window Pan products should be applied. I hope you will discover these products are easy to use. As always, the first step is to install your apron below the rough opening. We're using Moist Stop nail-on flashing. Next, we think it's a good idea to apply a course of SAF material as Percy and Epi are doing here. We're using 12-inch Fortiflash butyl SAF membrane. Now we're going to apply sealant in preparation for the first Ready Sill corners. Next, we apply the supplied GS100A corners as you see here. Now we apply some sealant in preparation for the Ready Sill end dams. The placement of your end dams is very important. The inside vertical edge is positioned about 1/8 of an inch inside the frame of the window. All windows are different, so measure your windows from the back of the nailing flange to the inside of the frame of the window. And remember, different window types, like casements, fixed, and single hungs, may have different measurements. So don't assume all your windows will have the same frame thickness. As you can see, we have some solid protection at the corners with the different layers of materials and sealant. I think you're going to find this process is very simple and easy. After you've done it a few times, it all flows together well. Every step is logical and intuitive, so it's very easy to learn this process. A typical razor knife cuts this material very well. Using the razor knife, split the end dams as you see Percy doing here. Then fold downwards and sideways. Now we apply sealant in preparation for the sill insert. You will press the sill insert into the wet sealant and J-roll it flat. Any squeeze out at the ends, just tool it down and smooth it out. Place sealant between the vertical edges of the insert and the end dams. Your Ready Sill pan is now complete. It's time to apply the rest of your window flashing. There are a few different flashing strategies used in America today. Ready Sill works with all of them. The guys are demonstrating AMA Method B, where the side flashing is applied before the window is set. You may be in an area where you believe the side flashing should go on top of the nail fin. Well, that's fine. It does not affect Ready Sill. Sealant application under the window is important. Notice the large bead of sealant that is applied against the inside vertical edge of the pan system. Now, if you're using shims, now is the time to apply them. We recommend plastic horseshoe shims and avoid wood shims. Vinyl L strips provide extra protection for your pan system. These are available in most areas of the country. Or you can use 3/8-inch strips of OSB across the inside. If you're using wood windows, the OSB strips can remain in place as the jam extensions will reach over them. Alternately, they can be removed before the drywall or other casing applications are installed. OSB strips, like the ones here, are often used to protect the inside edges of metal pans. when they are installed early. If you're not installing the windows immediately after your Ready Sill, then we suggest using OSB strips. On our website, tlslabs.com, this installation manual is ready for download. Also, instructions will come in your box with the Ready Sill Pan. In this video, we used some products that are not supplied by us. We used Moist Stop Sealant, Moist Stop Nail-On Flashing, and FortiFlash Butyl SAF membrane. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you out there.